Hey everyone, we are here today in this webinar with Dr. Jorge Campos Aliaga from Spain. Hi, Doc, how are you?
Hi, how are you doing? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, before I introduce him, I would like to speak a little about some initiatives that we are taking at the Global Summit. The Universal School of Health is the new reality, and at first initiative, we are starting the Doctorate of Healthcare Business program. I'm proud to introduce the first program in the world that closes the gap between clinical training and real life business. Acumen for doctors, empowering us to be successful CEOs and community leaders. As healthcare professionals, we all go through rigorous training, achieving clinical competency over years of professional education. But it's impossible to fit everything in our busy schedule, including the business training that we need to do to be ready for the future that we have above. So we at the Global Summits are starting the Doctorate of Healthcare Business, which will help you close this gap. Doctors from all over the world are sharing their backgrounds in research, publishing, innovation, team building, sales psychology, business scaling, and marketing. This unique team will be augmented by outstanding global industry leaders as guest lecturers who will share cutting-edge knowledge in their respective fields. Also, something else that I would like you to know is that the Hippocratic accreditation is available for everyone that's worth. It's accreditation from doctors of the healthcare industry without the corruption. In the last decades, third-party service product organizations have grown around accreditation organizations, professional schools, financiers, politicians, lobbyists, regulatory bodies, and whoever could exert the influence directly or indirectly interfering with the sacred patient-doctor relationship. Our noble profession has become more a marketing function, and the public has lost faith in its professionals, and the healthcare industry also needs to be the trust restored. Hippocratic principles are the premise of our oaths and obligation to patients and the healthcare industry. First, do no harm. No leaders, namely doctors, should continue to guide the destiny of the noblest profession as we have for thousands of years. Since we are entering in a world of globalization and integration in healthcare, domestic accreditation bodies do not have significant oversight, which has led to corruption and to uninvited corporatization to the healthcare industry. For the benefit of a few, monetary gain has become a great priority for those, and no fraternity regardless if it attains the scientific method and to the sacrifice of healthcare professionals and their patients. To reestablish this, the Global Summit Institute, composed exclusively by doctors, dentists, pharmacists, optometrists, chiropractors, and healthcare philosophers, as nominated by their peers, will be offering Hippocratic accreditation to any organization deemed worthy of this seal of approval, including universities, insurance companies, pharmaceutical companies, service providers, regulatory agencies, product distributors, hospitals, private